In this video, I will show you how to get a free of charge permanent license for Industrial HiVision. The license will enable you to supervise a network containing devices from any manufacturer. Best of all, the license is not tied to hardware. Download it once and use it in as many installations as you would like. HiVision has been manufacturing networking products for more than 20 years. As networks have increased in complexity, a comprehensive but user-friendly configuration and supervision tool has become essential. Industrial HiVision is a network management application developed in-house by HiVision in Germany. It's now in its third generation and reflects years of development experience. As you can see on the left, Industrial HiVision is a highly graphical supervision tool. Network topology maps are a major feature of the software. Each component of a network, such as switches, end devices, and physical connections, have a visual representation complete with status colors. This provides you with a clear and concise overview of your network's status. On the internet, you will find many videos covering all aspects of network management with Industrial HiVision. When you download and install Industrial HiVision, it will run without a license for 30 days. After this evaluation period, the software will stop working. A license is then required to keep using Industrial HiVision. Normally, you would need to buy a commercial paid license, but there is also a free of charge promotion license available. The promotion license has the following characteristics. It can be used to manage a maximum of 16 nodes. In this case, a node is any device with an IP address. For best results, the devices should support SNMP, but basic supervision functionality is even available for devices which only support ping. Often, promotional software is a cut-down version of the full application. This is not the case with the promotion license. Almost all functionality offered by the paid version is also supported by the promotion version. The license never expires. If you later decide to move up to a newer version of Industrial HiVision, just download a new license key. Even better, the license is not tied to hardware. The same license can be used for multiple installations. Use it at work and at home. Distribute it to your friends and colleagues. Feel free to use the license for personal or commercial use. Finally, you need at least version 8.1 of Industrial HiVision to use the promotion license. To get started, just fill out the short form on the Belden website. You can find the link in the text below. Your license key will be emailed to you. Industrial HiVision can be downloaded from the HiVision Technical Support website. Here you'll find all software offered by HiVision. Industrial HiVision is located in the Download section under Tools. You will need to create an online account to log in to the support website. This same account can later be used to get free of charge technical support for HiVision products. Whether you use the promotion version of Industrial HiVision to monitor your network at home or supervise a small network at your business, the work you put into configuration and customization will not be wasted. You can use the software free of charge permanently. Of course, this is a promotion. We hope you like the application so much that you migrate to a paid version. But you are welcome to use the free of charge promotion version forever. I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you for watching.